Hi everyone, I have this i30 key fob and I need to change the battery. What I need is a new CR2032 battery, and then I need a flat screwdriver, and that's it. So first of all, we need to just take out the key from the fob by sliding it out. So you take out the key from the fob. And then, as you can see here, there is a groove here. What you can do is you just use a screwdriver, the flat screwdriver, slot in to the groove hit there, and then slightly turn it, maybe. Then you see it will make a gap here. It will make a gap, and then you can just open it. If you cannot open it wide enough, then you continue the turn. Okay. When you continue the turn, you can see the battery is inside here. Okay, so we can just pull out the battery, the old battery, from the fob. And then what we need to do is just get a new battery. You put it inside, and that's it. The only thing you need to do is just close the fob. And here you go, it's done. Okay, and then you push the key inside. Everything is all set, and you're ready to go.